how to generate QR code on Android. Hey, so please guys, what you want to do is to go in the search bar right here and please write stuff.com, qrstuff.com. In here you need to choose, let's say I want to a social media, YouTube. Okay, now you need to select the content you want to create. I selected here, as you can see. For YouTube you can select Instagram, business links, file, QR codes, custom landing pages, or popular website plain text. And I'll go with YouTube, and here select YouTube, and now just here you need to enter your video ID or URL right here. Don't copy my YouTube channel URL. Share, tap on share, 3 lines. Now tap on copy. Now let's go back to our website, and here just paste this link, and all you need to do now is to, now you can simply tap on the option that you want. Okay, go to the next step, and here you can select the color, look, feel, shape, color if you want to. Okay, next step. If you want image format, you can do that as well. And now in the end, encoding option, dynamic, use for embedded URL encode as in. I'll just tap on download PNG, and that's all you need to do. Now I have my own QR code for my YouTube channel. So that's gonna do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos.